Today's video is going to be on me switching up from using the 15W40 conventional diesel oil in my 2011 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2-liter turbo. Now, I know I've said many times before, and I made videos always talking about the little asterisk one that's inside the owner's manual in the Genesis Coupe booklet, saying for better vehicle performance, Hyundai recommends using 40 viscosity. Well, Valvoline came up with this new Restore and Protect, and it's supposed to remove 100% of the deposits that are on everything in your engine. Well, the issue at first was they don't make anything thicker than 30. So I was a little hesitant at getting this, but I started thinking that there must be a reason why they don't offer anything thicker than a 30. Now I have my reasons, and again, they're my opinion, and I'm allowed to have my opinion on why I've came to the conclusion why they don't offer something thicker than 30. But you can have your own, and that's cool because you're entitled to your own opinion also. But yeah, so apparently with continued use and on the fourth oil change with using this, it removes 100% of the deposits and it makes the engine spotless inside. And now it's the current rating, the GF6, and there's the American Petroleum Institute rating, the API-SP, API-SN with SN Plus, and API-SN, and there's the donut right there that says the same stuff. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna give this 530 Valvoline Restore and Protect a go in my Genesis Coupe. I've been getting misfire in one of the cylinders every now and again. It's not daily or anything like that, but it is happening, and I know the piston seal or the piston rings, if those get messed up, then they can lower the compression ratio and other stuff like that. So I'm gonna try this. I know at Walmart they're going for $30 in Arizona at my local Walmarts. They might be different where you live, but I don't know. And then, but at AutoZone, they're going for $38. Well, they have a deal right now where you can get the extended life STP filter, and you get the STP cabin air filter. So both of these are for, yep, you guessed it, 2-liter Hyundai Genesis Coupe. The filter, the oil filter is $10 normally, and the cabin air filter is $20. So that's $30 there. The 38 for the 5-quart Valvoline Restore and Protect jug puts me at $68. The deal is for $45. So that's a $23 savings. So essentially, you get the cabin air filter for free. So I figured I'll take advantage of that sale and I'll get the cabin air filter. I haven't changed mine out in a while, but yeah. So I'm gonna go change the oil here soon, and when I have to go change the oil after this has been in it, then I'm gonna get my oil filter cutting tool, and I'll be able to cut into this filter right here, and I'll be able to see exactly what's inside of it, because I'll be able to see the filter media. But there's the silicone anti-drain back valve, and oh, there's the blue bypass valve inside. But yeah, that's the video. I'll give you an update when I change the oil again.